Today, we will be installing the Enerlites HET06-J in-wall preset countdown timer, a simple and smart solution to control your lights or fans for a set period of time. This timer features 6 preset time buttons: 5, 10, 30, 60 minutes, 2 hours, and 4 hours, plus a manual on button. It supports up to 800 watt loads and is suitable for lighting or fan control. The device will automatically turn off the connected load after the selected time expires. First, make sure to switch off the power at the breaker. Follow all local codes and use copper wiring only. This device is rated for 120 VAC systems. Remove the existing switch and identify the wires: the hot wire, load wire, and ground wire. The HET06-J requires a 2-minute warm-up period after it is fully installed. Connect the switch as follows: green to ground, red to load, and black to hot. No neutral wire is required. Mount the switch securely, reinstall the wall plate, and turn the power back on. After waiting 2 minutes, the switch is now ready to use. To activate the timer, press the button for the desired duration. The LED will blink twice to confirm. The load will stay on for that selected time, then turn off automatically. Pressing another button while on will reset the countdown. Press the manual on button to turn the load on using the last time setting. Press again to turn it off. Press and hold for 8 seconds to keep the load on indefinitely. The timer won't turn it off unless manually interrupted. The HET06-J is an easy upgrade for any single pole switch, offering reliable timed control. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's ideal for energy saving and convenience in closets, laundry rooms, basements, garages, and more. Learn more about timers and other energy-saving devices by visiting Enerlites.com.